Hi there, welcome to the Library Facebook Live session on the Introduction to the Help Desk. My name's Matthew Taylor and I'm one of the library assistants who works on the Help Desk. I'm just going to be quickly going through a few of the basics of how the Help Desk works. And if you've got any questions while we're broadcasting, please put them on Facebook and we'll try and answer them while the session is going. So the Library Help Desk basically works by answering students and staff queries by email or phone or web chat. And all of those can be done through the library webpage. So every page on the library site has got the contact point down here. And the typical sorts of questions that we have can be about finding things online or using the library search system. And our help desk has a two-tiered system. So the query will come in and a library assistant on the level of the immediate help desk will have a look at the question. If they can answer it themselves, they will do so. Otherwise, they'll pass it on to one of my colleagues, the librarians, especially if it's, for example, about referencing or subject searching or literature searching. So, have we got any questions, Greg?
Yeah, there's a couple of questions.
My colleague Greg's just behind the camera here passing questions on to me. So.
The ethereal voice in the background. Yeah. There's a couple of questions that we did have sent in beforehand, and we do have a few people watching live as well, so if you do have any questions, do send them in. The first question that we were asked is, what times can they access the help desk?
That's a good one to start with, thank you. So the help desk itself is open between 9 and 5, Monday to Friday, but during out of hours times, so in the evenings and at weekends, we do have a chat system that you can talk to a librarian. They're mainly based in America, but they are given all the answers to OU questions. If they can't answer them themselves, they'll pass them to us and we will answer them as soon as we get back into the office on the Monday morning. Any more, Greg?
All right, fantastic. Another one that came in as well is that you can contact the library help desk through an email. How long does it normally take for the emails to get responded to?
It can be different at different times of year. Obviously, there are certain times where it's a lot busier than others, and we're just moving into one of those busy times now as new modules start. But we do aim to respond to every email inquiry within at least 2 working days.
All right, fantastic. For anyone that is watching live, I think we've hit 9 or 10 people. Please do send in any questions, and you can send them in afterwards as well, and we'll try and respond to them. But there are some upcoming sessions as well that we can tell you about.
There are, absolutely, yes. This Thursday there's another session on using library search, and then next week there is training, general library training on Wednesday the 3rd, and something about Sconnell Access, which is the scheme you can use to use other libraries around the UK, so you use libraries nearer to you, and that's on Thursday the 4th. And they'll all be broadcast and available via the library Facebook webpage. Okay. So if there's any other questions, Greg?
None that have come in now, but as I said, if they do get sent in afterwards, we're happy to catch up with them.
Yeah, so, if you send them in to Facebook, we'll answer them on the Facebook group.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much for
Thanks
watching.
Thanks for listening.
Live. Yeah.
Thanks.